I'm in Puerto Maldonado. I didn't expect that I need to wear a life jacket, but the tour guide just told me that the boat is going to be a Titanic. It's like the one in San Francisco.
Yes, here we call Orange Gate.
This bridge can bring you to Brazil.
Yes.
This way can go to Bolivia.
Yes.
Oh, the water can go up to the bridge?
Yes. No. Yes, in the color. You can see the color orange, the red color, orange and yellow. Just until the orange color.
Ah, okay.
That's rainy season. We are going to sleep 2 nights here and 1 night in the National Reserve.
This is my hotel for tonight.
Hola.
Hello. Room tour. This is my room. Double bed. This is a mosquito net. This thingy, I don't think I'm gonna use it. Yeah. Oh, this window is to prevent the mosquito, but there's no curtain, so if you get changed, you need to go to the bathroom. Oh, by the way, there's another bed. Bathroom is quite complete. I think it's only cold water, but it comes with a clean towel, toilet paper, and soup. Breakfast at 8, lunch at 1, dinner at 8. Electricity is available from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. and then 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So there's no point to have a fan. I need to go to the dining room to get some water. I don't know how many rooms it has here, but it looks pretty big. Wow. How old is this tree? Oh my god. Okay, let's get some water. It has a mini market here. The tour guide told me that a bottle of water is 5 soles, which is quite expensive, but I can refill it. The guy just saw me filling up my bottle and he didn't ask for money. So, these are the souvenir t-shirts. And you can also have alcohol here. This is beautiful, isn't it? This area right in front of the dining room is way much cooler than my room. I hope the temperature in my room can cool down a bit tonight. Is that only me staying here tonight?
4 people more.
It's a trail?
Yes. Tower.
Now it's 11:30. We are gonna walk around this area and then have lunch at 1. I'm quite hungry because I only had an apple this morning.
Plant is a platanillo, is a family of the banana. Well, you can see now the flower, the red flower. That is the heliconias. About for tomorrow, the chef, he will cut the leaf. He will clean this part and another side. Yeah. And here, the chef, he put the rice, the chicken, olive, egg, and then is cover the leaf. And that is a typical food about for the jungle. The name is Juane. About for tomorrow, our lunch is in this kind of leaf. It's like a tamal.
How come it has 2 different plants on the same tree?
This is the seed, and that is a flower.
Okay.
Now you can see many insects start to eat the flower. And the name of the beetle is a low-nosed beetle. They eat that pretty flowers.
For example, this kind of tree
Oh,
Like how old it is?
it's approximately 100 years.
Wow.
That tree normally grow a 30-meter height. Mushroom.
Are these a magic mushroom?
No, not here. In Argentina, there is hallucination mushroom.
Wow.
You can see now.
They're all
Many
coming out.
fire ants start to look for where is the predator for attack, for bite. Deep in the jungle, because the vines disperse the root in different place.
Wow. These are like sweet potato.
Try to peel this.
Take
Peel.
off the shell.
Yes.
Okay.
And try to lick the seed. It's like a lemon. Like a lemon. Huh? Congo palm or spiny palm. The bush people use this kind spine for kill the animal. How? For example, after the catch the poison frogs, this spine pass around the skin of the frog, and then use the arrow for kill the animal. The local people use the palm leaf for construction the house. Most special is the root. In 24th of June, here in Puerto Maldonado, occurring the big festival. The name is San Juan. In that moment, the ladies use this kind of palm leaf for dance the typical. These are typical clothes.
Like a dress?
Yes,
like
a
the people in Hawaii?
Yes, like they use in Hawaii.
Oh, so it's on my head as well?
Yes. Try to dance.
Just took a cold shower, changed into my PJ pants, and my hairstyle. I don't think it is extremely hot, but I feel like I'm being slow cooked. I don't understand why those people can come to the Amazon to have a 1-week ayahuasca retreat or even longer. It's almost 1. Let's see what's for lunch. Provecho.
Buen provecho.
It's a potato and it's a fish. It's a big fish.
Yes, the name is Paco. The
Paco.
Paco is the family of the piranhas. The piranha grow like this size, but the Paco is like this. Big fish.
Look at the fat. It's so delicious. Lunch is done. We are now going to the Monkey Island. That's why you need to wear boots. We are on the Monkey Island. Monkey Island is only for dry season.
Yes.
It's so green.
Yes.
I cannot see it from my camera. It's all dark.
Really?
But yeah. But from my eyes, I can see it's all green. The real jungle.
Huge tree, huh?
Yeah.
Ficus insipida or
How
hey.
old is it?
That maybe is 400 or 500 years.
Yeah.
Grow approximately 40-meter height.
I just stay here.
Go more close. Go more close. And yeah, you can give it. Give you. Give the banana.
Hey, move forward.
Keep.
This is the leader?
No, the leader is
Wow. Natural motor. So loud. We just went out for another jungle walk at 6 p.m. There's not much to say, but today I had a very good workout. I sweat a lot, and I drank like 6 bottles of this. Each one is 24 ounce. I'm waiting for my 8 p.m. dinner. I think I have to do it quick because I still want to take a shower and pack my stuff for tomorrow. And the electricity goes off at 9 p.m. This is the light in my room. And this is the light in the bathroom. Yeah, it's like nothing. What soup?
It is
Pasta soup. What is this? Fish or?
no, this is the soy meat.
Soy meat. Oh my god, another butterfly. In the next episode, we will cross the Sandoval Lake in Tambopata Reserve to stay with a local family and explore more animals. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye!